Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to set customized ringtone in Oneplus 10R smartphone. Before we start the video, I recommend to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, open the Play Store, then download the Zedge application. So I am using this application for the past 3 years. It's a very good application. So you can download free ringtones and wallpapers, any of the things in your phone. Now the installation is completed. Now to click on open. Then allow some permissions. Now click on ringtones category. You can see lot of ringtones available here. Also you can categorize the ringtones. So if you want to preview any ringtones, you need to click on the play button. If you want to download any ringtone, you need to click on the letters, then choose the download icon. Now you can directly set ringtone or notification tone or alarm tone or set contact ringtone, or you can either save into your phone. So I will choose set ringtone, allow some permission and allow modifying settings. Now the ringtone is set successfully. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, you can thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.